Hey guys, welcome back to Pasant's Kitchen. Today we are doing a really awesome recipe. We are making beef Seekh Kababs and we're gonna use these awesome skewers. It is the coolest recipe, but it is definitely... Let's go over the ingredients really quick, but no worries, I'll have the entire recipe posted in the description box. So we have green chili, ginger, garlic, diced onion, one bunch cilantro. I'm using about 5 pounds of 80-20 chuck round. Over here we have ground cumin, ground coriander, salt, red chili, black pepper. Oh, my beautiful skewers, obviously. And I got the Turkish bread from my friends, and I'm gonna serve it, obviously, once the kebabs are done. So now without any further ado, let's get started. Start off with the masala for the kebab, green masala. So we're gonna do cilantro, chopped onion, 2 green chilies. You could do 3 if you like a little spicy. And ginger, we're gonna do first 3 cloves of garlic. And ginger, we're gonna do about an inch piece. Nothing longer than that, because it's gonna get too spicy. And now, so I want you guys to see, this is what I like. I like it rough, not completely diced, but you know, gives it like the homemade look. So I'm gonna show you one step, that's the most important step. What we're gonna do is, I'm gonna drain all the water out because I don't want any liquids going in the meat, because that's gonna make it loose and it won't stick to the kebabs. So what we need to do is we need to wring all the water out, and then we're gonna put the green masala in completely dry. So it mixes awesomely with our dry masala, and the kebabs, forget about it. And in the cheesecloth you can use, I like to use microfiber rags. They get everything out and they're nice and strong. Put it in the rag, hold it from the sides. And you see, this is poison to your kebabs. You need to get all this liquid out. They need to be nice and dry. Nothing in them. There, I think we got everything out. Check this out. This is what you want. Look, see how dry this is? This is what you want. So I'm gonna add the green masala in. And now we're gonna add all the dry seasonings. So I put all the seasoning in 1 cup, and I'm gonna mix it in. Make sure you get it all in. And the green masala goes in all the way. I love making kebabs. It's just the coolest thing in the world. They're dry and they're done on charcoal or barbecue. And just make sure you work the meat really good. You don't see any clumps of seasoning. Just like this you don't want. Work it in, take your time. And after you do this, let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple hours so the fat can set in. Then we're gonna take a bowl of warm water and make the skewers. So this is it. It's ready. Folded it twice. Nicely mixed in. Now I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for a few hours and let it all set in, and then we're gonna make our kebabs. Have the kebab station ready. Warm water, kebab mix, skewers, and the baking pan where you're gonna put the skewers. Guys, everything is in. This is the coolest part. So let's get started. Take the warm water. Turn it into a little bowl. So we have about, I would say, 6 ounces of meat. Turn it into. Now you take the skewer and press it in, just like this. this is it, guys. That looks hot. And it goes right here. Alright guys, the kebabs are on the skewers and they are ready to go. This is my favorite part. We're gonna get the kebabs on the grill and then we're gonna crush them Basan style. Put the kebabs on the grill and we're gonna flip them every 20 seconds or so. So we're gonna flip the first one. Wow. So every 20 seconds, I just rotate them. Alright guys, so check this out. I have the skewers in those flats. So what we're doing is we're giving it indirect heat. Instead of direct contact, the heat's coming in and the meat's not touching the grates. And look at the beautiful char that's coming on the kebabs. Kebabs are ready. We're gonna let them rest for a few minutes and we're gonna move on to my favorite part, plating. Basan style. Move it up and just pull it out. Wow. Today guys, the beef kebabs are ready and they look gorgeous. The consistency, the grill marks, everything is on point. We're serving it with lemons, green raita, and Afghani naan. It's everything and anything I love. This is the favorite food I love cooking. This is the food I'm gonna put in my restaurant. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basan style. To my favorite part, I like well done kebabs. Just look at the consistency of it. Wow. Okay, here goes nothing. Wow. It is so moist. The flavor and the grill is on point. Basan style. That's not.